Yeah, equation means different mathematical formula using. So any whatever formula you want, that formula use and insert. So I use the area of the circle. So automatically that formula appear our screen. Okay. Next reference many option is there. If you want this reference methods using, so reference as another document to link here. Then illustrations, so they insert the clip art image. If we want image, if we want select and insert, that image appear your screen. The same like that pictures, if suppose save the image your system, any on one photos, any image, use and insert, that image appear your screen. Okay, so whatever you want, select and insert, that image insert your current page. Okay, the scanner use the image, that image also insert your current page. So new drawing and curves, so shapes, whatever shapes you want, you suppose you select the shapes, select here, draw it, insert colors. Okay, then auto word art means different style categories is there. Whatever category style you want, choose and type name. I choose one style, I type rose. Okay, yeah, here coming up. So organization chart means different categories there. Whatever categories types you want, that chart use and type name. Then chart means you draw the many chart options there. Suppose you type the mark sheet or anything, we can use this chart variation identification using this different chart. So any one chart you use and apply. Okay, I choose this using chart. I use the column chart. Okay, before the select and use this chart format. That chart appear. Okay, understood? So image and chart. Then diagram, same like that, different types of diagram is there. If you want, choose this option, text box. This method using the newspaper ad, box inside the text, the panel, vertical size, horizontal size, any format we can use it. I choose this. Yeah, the same like that format, that format use and type the text. Understood, child? Object, so object means we go to the next path, that is the link. Yeah, we can work out the Word document, go to the Excel document link using this object method. Bookmarker means important things highlighted. Hyperlink means to link to one path to another path. Cover pages, yeah, this is very important. Suppose you type the some books, front covers design, many designs gave, say which design you want, choose it, that design, apply our book. Okay, the signatures line, so add signatures line. So for example, you has already put the signature, that signature saved to here, that signature if you want the current page using this method. Okay, understood? This all option understood clearly. Will practice and come. Next class I tell about format menu. Bye.